Welcome to DVCom Technology. In this lab, I am going to show it to you how to do inter-VLAN routing. Before we did tag-based VLAN, now I'm going to show it to you because did you remember that we don't have a communication? If you see here, right now, just type ipconfig. I have the IP address which is 192.168.25.10. So I'm in VLAN number 25. When I am trying to ping 192.168.15.1, I don't have a communication for VLAN number 15. So open one more command prompt and type for VLAN number 20 gateway as well. So there is no communication. See that? There is no communication. So now what I am trying to do here, I just want to enable the communication. See here, this is for VLAN number 15, this is for VLAN number 20. So just go and log into your DrayTek router, which is admin and admin. Thank you. Now you just go to the LAN, click on general setup, go down. See here, as I told you, same thing guys. LAN 1 to LAN 2, LAN 3, LAN 4, LAN 2 to LAN 1, LAN 2, LAN 3, LAN 4, right? And LAN 4 should be LAN 3, right? These are the things we need to do. Say okay. There you go. Verify it here. It start communicating. Right guys? This is how you can able to enable the communication between one VLAN to another VLAN. Even I can able to ping 192.168.1.1. There you go. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos. For more information, please send us a mail info@datavoice.com. Thank you for watching this video.